Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Red Cat unveils low-cost US-made FANG F7 drone for defense and security operations. Red Cat Holdings Incorporated has announced the launch of its FANG line of NDAA-compliant FPV first-person view drones, beginning with the 7-inch FANG F7 model. Designed to meet federal procurement requirements, the FANG drone is made in the United States and aims to strengthen domestic production by replacing components traditionally sourced from China. The FANG F7 is part of Red Cat's Arachnid family of systems and features a carbon fiber frame engineered for durability, stability, and reuse. It is intended to serve both as a training tool and as a mission-ready platform, combining robust construction with cost efficiency. All critical components of the drone are independently certified and included in the DU Blue UAS framework, with the full system awaiting inclusion on the Blue UAS cleared list. The product is aimed at defense, public safety, and other government agencies seeking NDAA National Defense Authorization Act compliant alternatives. With FANG, we set out to deliver something the market hasn't seen before, said Jeff Thompson, Red Cat CEO. Working with key partners, we now have an NDAA-compliant FPV drone that's both high-performing and low-cost. By focusing on retrievability, American manufacturing, and real-world mission needs, we're giving defense and security teams a smarter, scalable option optimized for both budget and effectiveness. Red Cat states that the FANG line is the lowest-cost family of NDAA-compliant FPV drones currently available, offering a retrievable and reusable alternative to loitering systems. The company highlights the FANG F7 suitability for repeated training, ISR intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, and precision effects missions. The FANG F7 is now available for purchase directly from Red Cat and through authorized procurement channels for qualifying agencies. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.